Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to do something bright. It's summer, so I just wanted to do some colors, and I also wanted to try out a matte finish. So I'm going to work with purple and yellow and pink for today. I am going to start off by adding my base coat, and that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm going to add my base coat, and then I'm going to add some pink polish. So please keep watching to see how it will turn. Now for the purple, when I realized that it's because I'm using clear nails, it's easier for you to see through. So the purple was a bit thin, so I had to use about 3 coats of that polish for the purple, but I only used 2 for the pink. So once I've added those, I'm going to go right into my pattern. Right, so we're gonna go into the pattern now. So it's very simple. I actually saw this in a video and I decided that I was going to try it. So all I'm doing, as you can see, I'm just putting some polish over the top of the nail, and then I'm just gonna go right across with the other colors. You can actually use more than 2 colors, but I decided to just use the pink and the yellow for now. So I'm just putting it right across, and I'm going to do that right down to the end of the nail, and then you can just watch to see how I did it. So once I'm through, all I'm doing now, I'm just taking the nail art brush. You definitely have to use one that has a really pointed edge, and you just run the brush right through the polish right down to the end, as you're seeing me doing there. Now what I usually do is to wipe it off after I've done it each time, because as you can see, the yellow is in the middle there. It should not be there. So what I did was just to put the brush in some pink polish, and then I put it over it just to hide that yellow part at the top there. So after each time when you bring the brush right down on the nail, you'd have to just wipe it off in your paper towel to take off the color. So there I'm just adding back some pink at the top, and that's basically it for your pattern. I'm going to put that under my lamp now for 60 seconds so that it can be dried, and then I'll continue with the rest. So I'm basically doing the same thing for this nail. However, so I started doing this, but I didn't like how it looked. So I ended up wiping it off, and that's the beauty about gel polish. You can always wipe it off if it does not look how you would like it to look. So it didn't turn out like I wanted to, so I actually just wiped it off and then I tried something else. So that's basically it. I'm just going to add now some small stones. I started by putting them at the tip of the nail. I didn't like how it looked, and then I removed it, and then I put them right at the side, and it looked better there to me, so I just decided to leave it there. Then after I'm finished, I'm just going to add my matte top coat. I'll put it under my lamp for 60 seconds to cure, and then that's it. So there you have it, another look, very simple, very easy, that you can do as well. So I just want to thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, please remember to like and subscribe so that you can see all my other videos that I will be uploading. So thank you again for watching, and see you next time. Bye.